Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about AI, and also I will cover 5 AI tools which I think are useful for most of the people right now. So before we see the examples of AI, let us understand what AI is and how does it work. So first thing first, what is AI? AI or artificial intelligence can be referred as a capability of a computer system to replicate complex thoughts on the same level as a human intelligence. So now that we understand what AI is, let's head over to the next part, which is how does an AI work? First of all, what we are shown today as AI are not actually a complete AI. These are machine learning tools. And machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence but not an artificial intelligence itself. Now, machine learning refers to the ability of a computer to learn from human inputs to undertake complex or automated processes. For example, if we take example of chatGPT, it can only do a certain things and it can only do those certain things that it is trained for. It cannot learn something new on its own. And that's a must criteria for a complete and actual AI. But we also need to understand that these tools, these machine learning tools or AI tools are pretty close to an actual and complete AI, and they are our next step forward towards artificial intelligence. So now that we know what AI is and how does AI work, let's see how AI can benefit us in our personal life and in our businesses, right? So if you go over to online and search any task that requires human intelligence and just add an AI tool with it, you can get an AI tool. There's absolutely no work that you want to do and cannot be done by an AI. So in this way, small businesses can save up a lot of money by using an AI subscription model instead of hiring some employee, because hiring an employee is much expensive and less efficient than an AI tool. So for example, let's say you need a logo for your business. If you hire an employee to make a logo, it will take at least 3 to 5 days. Plus you have to pay him salary. Also, you have to pay for the office space that you are going to give him. On the other hand, if you take the subscription model of an AI which can create logo, it will only cost you like $10 to $15 for an entire month, and it will be so efficient that you will have a logo in your hand within 2 or 3 hours. From 3 to 5 days, you go to 2 to 3 hours. That's more efficient. And from the financial point of view, you have to pay the employee at least 20,000, whereas these AI tools will cost you $10, which is basically 850 rupees to 1100 rupees. So if you see this whole point that I'm trying to make, you will understand that small business can make substantial savings and much more profit using AI tools instead of using employees. And that's where AI benefits us. So now let's talk about the drawbacks of AI that humans faces due to AI. First and foremost important drawback of an AI on a human society is that people can and will definitely lose their job to an AI. It was recently seen on Aaj Tak News that they were using an AI anchor as a news anchor in Hindi.
Hello, you are watching Aaj Tak AI and I am Aaj Tak's AI anchor Sana. I have brought big news from India and abroad.
We need to understand that AI will definitely take your jobs away. And the best way to avoid that circumstance where you have to lose your job to an AI is to add one additional skill in your resume in yourself, which is to become so efficient and so proficient in using AI also that you use AI to make your work, your skills better. Like again, let's take the example of the logo maker, and this time there are 2 employees. The first one is a traditional logo maker and the another one has the skills of a traditional logo maker but also knows how to use logo making AIs. He will be much more efficient, and if he knows how to make logo through AI tools, he will make much better result than a normal person. So these are the things that you need to understand about AI. Now let's end this boring part and let's move over to the interesting part where I show you the 5 best and useful AIs of this time that I think are gonna be useful for you guys too. So let's head over to my computer screen and I will meet you there. Now for the fun part. I'm going to show you 5 very useful AI tools that can help you to be more productive and efficient. So let's head over to my screen and see what they are. So the first tool we have here is everyone's favorite, the most famous tool right now in AI, that is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for anything. You can ask him anything. You can ask ChatGPT to do anything, it will do. But there is this one condition, that is your desired output for ChatGPT should be in words, in text. Anything you want to be done in text-based format, you can have ChatGPT to help you with it. Now, let's just say, just click here and search for top 10 topics to take video for YouTube. Take it up. So ChatGPT has generated this result here. Now, this is the biggest drawback of ChatGPT, is that its knowledge is cut off to September 2021 and it's 2023. So yeah, that's a big problem here in ChatGPT. But there is a workaround this. Now the workaround that is to go on Bard AI. Now what happens on Bard AI is that the Bard AI gets constantly updated with the current knowledge, current affairs. Now if I search again, get me top 10 ideas for video on YouTube 2023. Now this will give me the result of the videos that are better to make in 2023. See, story time. These are new topics. These are the topics that are currently trending in 2023. These were the first AIs I was going to show you, which was prompt to text AIs. Now let's see our second category of AI. Now for the second AI is Blackbox. Blackbox is a life-saving tool for developers and coders. And here's why. You just click on code chat and let's just say I want a program for a calculator with a graphical interface. Write a program. This can be very useful for programmers and coders, because there are times when you need an important piece of code which is hard for you to come up with it instantly, because there's a problem in understanding what logic you need to build in the program. So at that times Blackbox can be very useful for all the coders and programmers out there, all the developers out there. It can write code in Python, Java, C, C++, C#, everything. Okay. So now let's go to our third tool that I think you should know. Now third AI is not an AI tool in itself, but it's a Chrome extension and it is configured with ChatGPT. All you need to do is go to harpa.ai website and click on add to Chrome. It will take you to the Chrome web store page, and from there instead of remove from Brave, there will be add to Chrome or add to Brave or add to whatever browser you are using. You can add it there. Now what does Harpa AI do? Let's see. You press Alt A, it opens up. Let's just say I'm on google.com and I want to search for how to market my videos on category. They are giving me how to promote my videos. Don't be shy and all that. And I don't want to go down to the whole page and find out different articles, learn from different articles. I'll just go in Harpa AI and it will tell me exactly what I wanted to know, what I need to do. It will basically summarize this page. So now Harpa AI is writing me an output, writing me a plan from how to do that. So it is telling me optimize my video titles, description and tags, which is a really good advice. If you type last, you get reply. If you want to make a custom built reply to some email or some message, you can ask it to rewrite some text, you can compose, you can ask it to do hundreds of things. If you go on control, continue, control GPT models limited to tokens across prompts, and ask GPT to continue writing if possible, right? And then there's marketing, and you extract and research SEO keywords. You can ask it to do anything. It's literally one of the best and most powerful AI tool for anything you can ask. If you want to generate an image, but you are not able to get the desired outputs you want, you can ask Harpa to create a prompt for midjourney or stable diffusion for better prompt to get better results from those websites. So with that is something very great about it. You can ask it to work on spreadsheets. You can ask it to write codes in Python, JavaScript, Java, PHP, HTML, CSS, MySQL, Docker, Git. This is I think GitHub's AI, something related to GitHub. I also don't know how many features there are because it is such a vast extension. HTML validator, website layout, database bootstrap. So it's a very powerful AI extension, and it is connected with ChatGPT, so that makes it even more powerful. So now let's head over to our fourth AI of the video, which I think you guys should know. The fourth AI, which is durable. This website is going to help everyone who is starting a new business, because it can create a website in 30 seconds with an AI. Well, not in 30 seconds, obviously. It's more like you tell the AI all the things that what you want in your website, what kind of website you want, what is a theme and everything. After that, AI will take only 30 seconds to make that complete website. Now let's just make a website here. So here we are getting a new, what type of business are you building? I'm building a real estate. So let's just say real estate because it has real estate in it. We go to next. What is the name of your website? Let's say property market. Okay, I'll go for next, and it is building me a website. And my website is, let's say, we have a cool search now option with a very decent and professional looking picture of a property. Find a property in Delhi with property marts. Because my location was Delhi, it's showing Delhi. Here's a search now button, then there's, you can regenerate this section. You can regenerate all of these sections. Let's say I want to regenerate this section, and this looks a good thing. Click, because so I'm not sure I'm going to get any Indian people, so I'm going with this image because it is not showing any face, and also a small symbolization of a team, how they are all dependent to each other. We can now go to customize. Let's just say I am going to log in with Google. So after login, I changed a theme. I gave it a theme and everything. So here's how it looks right now. It has added multiple. So after logging in, I changed some of the stuff. So this is how it looks right now. So yeah, this was durable, and now we are going to head over our last. So yes, this was all about durable, and now we will head over to our fifth and the final AI tool I'm going to show you in this video, which is text to image generator. So earlier I thought I would show you the midjourney for text to image generator, but I don't have any subscription for midjourney, and they have suspended the trials for using midjourney, the free trials they had. So I'm going to show you a different text to image generator which works on Discord only, just like midjourney, and has the almost the same kind of working like a midjourney, and gives pretty great results as well. So here we are on my Discord, and the bot we are going to use for this video is Me6. We are going to imagine, and I have midjourney also, but I'm going to use Me6. Let's create a prompt. Let's send. It will be thinking and it will generate. I'm on a small slow queue again. So these are our results. Now let's retry in different styles. It will ask me what style I want. I want cyberpunk style, and let's see what we get. No, this is a night time. It looks very vibrant and cool.
Now I like the picture of the third pick. I want more variations of third pick. Will give me some variations. So I'm going to upscale the third one. Yes, here's an image to download. And this is how you can use any text to image generator. Create an image for you. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching it till here. Also, if you want me to create a full scale, more elaborate and explain videos on these AI tools, how to use them, to increase your efficiency, do comment down below, and I will make sure to make a complete video where I cover every aspect of these AI tools. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.